In today's video, I'm going to teach you how travel insurance covers you if you miss your flight. Missing a flight can be incredibly stressful, especially when you're already dealing with travel schedules, luggage, and time-sensitive plans. The good news is that travel insurance may help in some situations, but the key thing to understand is that coverage depends on why you missed the flight and what your specific policy includes. In many cases, travel insurance may cover a missed flight when the reason is unexpected and specifically listed as a covered event in the policy. For example, coverage may apply if severe weather delays the transportation you were relying on to get to the airport. It may also help if a traffic accident unexpectedly blocks your route. Some policies can cover a mechanical breakdown of your vehicle if that event is included in the terms. A medical emergency involving you or a traveling companion may also qualify. Beyond that, there may be other covered causes, but those will always depend on the wording of your policy. It's just as important to know what usually is not covered. Most travel insurance policies generally do not cover situations like leaving home too late, getting stuck in heavy but predictable traffic, oversleeping, forgetting your travel documents, or missing airline check-in or boarding deadlines without a covered reason. In other words, insurance is usually designed for unexpected disruptions, not avoidable travel mistakes. If your missed flight is covered, the policy may help pay for the cost to rebook your flight. It may also cover additional transportation expenses and in some cases reasonable meals and accommodation if the delay forces you to stay overnight. Other eligible costs may also be reimbursed, but only up to your policy's coverage limits. So it's important to keep those limits in mind. If you do miss your flight, act quickly. Contact your airline right away to ask about rebooking options. Then notify your travel insurance provider as soon as possible so they can explain what documentation you may need. Keep receipts for any extra expenses you pay out of pocket. Also save proof of the reason for the delay, such as medical documents, repair invoices, or official weather or transport notices. Once you have everything together, submit your claim based on your insurer's instructions. Before you travel, take a few minutes to read the missed connection and travel delay sections of your policy. Make sure you understand coverage limits and any waiting periods. It's also smart to leave extra time for getting to the airport and to keep your airline and insurer contact details easy to access. Travel insurance can be very helpful if you miss a flight because of a covered unexpected event, but it won't cover every situation. Since benefits, exclusions, and reimbursement limits vary by policy, reviewing your coverage before your trip is one of the best ways to avoid unexpected costs if your travel plans change.